Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever needed to create a document, spreadsheet or presentation but didn't have Microsoft Office installed? Are you tired of paying high subscription fees just to access basic Office tools? What if there was a free alternative that gave you all the same features without sacrificing quality or compatibility? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you that such a tool does exist and it's called WPS Office? But can it really replace Microsoft Office? Can it open Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files without messing up the formatting? Does it work on both your computer and mobile phone? And most importantly, is it easy to use for everyday work, school, or business? In today's video, I'll answer all of those questions as we explore WPS Office, a powerful free Office suite that's packed with tools for word processing, data handling, presentations, PDF editing, and more. We'll see how it works, what makes it special, and why it might just become your new go-to productivity tool. So let's dive in and take a closer look at everything WPS Office has to offer. So if you regularly work with PDFs, this is a huge plus. One of the biggest advantages of WPS Office is its cross-platform compatibility. You can use it on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS devices. So no matter where you are, at home, in the office, or on the move, you can access your documents anytime, from any device. It also supports cloud storage, offering direct integration with Google Drive, Dropbox, and WPS Drive, which is their own cloud system, similar to OneDrive. This means your files are always within reach, whether you're working from your desktop or switching to your phone. When you launch WPS Office, you'll find a clean and user-friendly dashboard that makes navigation simple. It gives you quick access to your recent documents and cloud files, along with options to start new documents or open existing ones. The interface uses a ribbon-style toolbar, just like Microsoft Office, and it features a smart tabbed layout, allowing you to work on multiple files in a single window, much like a browser. This makes multitasking and document switching much faster and easier. Another feature that makes WPS Office stand out is its vast collection of free professional templates. Whether you're creating a resume, a project proposal, a business report, or even a graphic design document, WPS offers thousands of categorized templates that you can customize to match your needs. This is especially useful if you want to save time and still produce polished, professional-looking work. In terms of document compatibility, WPS Office handles all major formats, including XLSX, PPTX, and PDF. You can open and edit any Microsoft Office file without formatting issues, making it a seamless switch from Office to WPS. You won't lose any features either. In fact, WPS Office offers advanced tools like spellcheck, real-time collaboration, formula editing in spreadsheets, animations in presentations, and even document encryption for added security. Mobile users aren't left behind either. The WPS Office app on Android and iOS is not just a viewer, it's a fully functional editor. You can create, edit, convert, and share documents on the go, and it even includes features like voice typing, PDF scanning, and cloud sync. It's perfect for anyone who wants productivity tools in their pocket. To sum it up, WPS Office is a powerful, feature-rich, and easy-to-use Office suite that delivers nearly everything Microsoft Office does and more without the cost. Whether you're writing reports, crunching numbers, designing presentations, or managing PDFs, WPS Office has the tools to support your workflow. Its compatibility, flexibility, and affordability make it one of the best free Office software options available today. The download link is available in the video description, so be sure to check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts or questions down below, and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.